Hello everyone, welcome to Food Art Tech channel. Today we are going to show you a low cost setup for overhead videography. This will be extremely helpful for new YouTubers on making top down videos like DIY, arts, crafts, tech gadgets unboxing, cooking and much more. This will provide professional overhead shot using your own smartphone by spending only 10 bucks. I just bought this from jd.com and I'll be giving the description link. Without wasting time, let's set up our new gadget. I'm going to show you is only this much, but it has much more functionality. Let me show you the different parts of this gadget. This is the base, which will be mounting on every plane surface, and this is the holder. It can hold our tablets, phones or any smartphones, and this is the link. Let me show you the base. This has the suction technology which can mount on our wall, and let me uncover the wrap. And let it stick for some time. Here you can see two suction locks. Now I'll lock the suction. Now I will attach the final connection, which can hold our smartphone. Finally, our gadget is ready, and it has more functionality that I was telling you, that you can adjust your own requirement of angle like this. And this one has to like this, and fix at a position, and it has hydraulic adjustment. You can adjust as per your own focus requirement. Here you are watching the video which I am using my smartphone with the gadget. Here you can see focus of the camera is perfect. Hope you like the video, and please like, share and subscribe to Food Art Tech. Thank you.